All right, everybody, here's the kitchen cabinets as they are. This was a 2-day installation, a lot of fabrication. You can see this one takes some work. We had to put rails. Everything was custom here. Tell me what you think. This one is for frying pans. Special drawer, very nice. And clean. Let's see here. There's that. Those two up there. Here is where that fabrication really had to happen. We had to build different cabinets because different manufacturers don't have base cabinets like that for a farm sink. So now all I'm gonna need to do is put some plywood and put the new quartz on top. There's a cabinet. Remember, the old one had a cabinet up here, but we're not putting anything there. And then this is the closet we built, and I have to tomorrow to patch everything, so we're in good shape. And these were here, and we had to put a plug in there, so we just need covers for that. But that's basically what you're looking at. Very nice. Okie dokie. Leave any comments or questions below. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.